Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the theme of your Steam. Now, what the theme of your Steam account is basically, if we go to view my profile, right here, as you can see, this background here, this kind of color like setting, this is going to be your theme. And here display, so as you can see, I have 49 hours on AimLabs on this account. I was quite the tryhard back then, so that today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we can change your theme. Now generally this is all to personal preference, but I will be showing you guys my favorite one as well. To begin, you want to open up your Steam app. Next on, press on here and go to view my profile. From there, press on edit profile. Afterwards, all you have to do right here is simply find a tab where it says theme. So we have general, avatar, profile background, mini profile, theme, featured badge, and privacy settings or privacy. We are going to be looking for theme tab right here. Next up here, you can easily choose the theme of your Steam account. In order to do this, for me right now I have it on default, or sorry, I had it on dark mode. You can either choose summer, cosmic, steel, midnight, which I think is probably one of the coolest ones, or default. The three I'd suggest are cosmic, summer, and midnight. I'm gonna go with cosmic for now. From there, you simply have to press on save. Let's do that one more time. And now if we do go into view my profile, as you can see, it has changed the theme. And I think this looks so much better. I'm actually glad I did this. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.